This is the arrowhead. Small quartz point. It's about 1 3/4 inches now. It's probably real close to 2 inches when it was original. Show you what I'm using here. I've got this, so it's acrylic for fingernails. 2-part. Turns out white once it's dry. I guess it's used for filling in nails, level them out or whatever once they're fake nails, once they're glued in place. I've tried this before. It doesn't work. It's not a professional thing. This is not a so a lot of people would argue that it's not good to touch original points and change them. Others, restore a lot of high quality points that have parts missing from them. So I'm just going to start maybe with the bottom corner here. Okay, where I can see it. And you can see it at the same time. What I'm doing. So it's missing this corner. The rest of it's pretty good. The base is sharp. The Afton area is ground pretty good. Both sides. Serrated, probably. It's in the Kirk cluster. Corner notched or whatnot. So the stuff we just kind of get some of it. It's got to be wet at the same time. That probably isn't wet enough. Gravity kind of works against it. Put it on liquid. So I'm just going to use this to build up the broken area. Get a better idea of what it looked like originally. So this stuff sets up pretty fast. Actually, looks like it's going to blend in pretty good with the stone natural color. So the reason I decided to do a video, I've thought about it for a long time, but it doesn't seem that things have been working out quite the way it has been. So maybe I should change my ways. I'm almost actually forced to change my ways at the moment. Do things a little differently. Maybe do something different. Okay, so looks pretty good. See if I can get the tip back on it. Oh. Yeah, well, fingernails don't look all that great. Been working all day. It's froze my butt off. 12 o'clock at night, I should be, getting into bed, but I think tomorrow's got big plans for me. I don't have big plans. The world's got big plans for me. I think by doing this, I can get maybe my arrowhead's looking better. Possibly get a YouTube video, and didn't have to clean up too much. I want anybody to see how I look. It's not right. Okay. in some way, I guess. This thing was pretty sharp on the edges, and you can see the serrations on there. Let's see, that's pretty good. So I suspect it had a pretty pointy tip. It's a dart tip, and so it need to be pretty sharp. It's going to do what you need it to do. You need to pin it on something for your life. It's especially a rock. Okay, maybe a little more. I'm not sure, it looks a lot different than that, but maybe just for us, might make it a little bigger. Something like, I said, this isn't a professional restoration. There's people that do that. I don't claim to do that. So it looks better, and really get a lot better idea of what it looked like originally. And actually, looks pretty good now. There you go. Cheap, simple way to patch up your point. Thanks a lot.